Right, we'll have to crack on with the next set. The Midland 77104 I did the transmitter on and has received problems. I do need a better copy of the circuit diagram because my third generation photocopy just isn't good enough to read the component values and things. So let's see what this is instead. Furthermore, I haven't even got another 77099 on the shelf to kind of take the lids off and compare voltages. So, and I haven't even got one of my own. Now, what's all this? It's another baby Midland. Oh, it looks like a 77104. It is a 77104 UK. Well, they're always nice. They've got a proper channel selector. Okay, I can see we're going to do something with the power lead on that, but we'll take it through its paces first. Well, it looks like this is the opposite way around. This one doesn't transmit, but it does receive as it's come out of the box. So we'll crack on with seeing what's up with the transmitter. It's probably been on a bad aerial and blown out the output transistor, so I'll just do some quick checks. Proceeding with the Midland 77104 UK. It goes without saying, the only version of this I've seen before is the 77104D, and the circuit's different. Turns out, I thought I recognised this, it's pretty similar to the 77805 Porter Pack. So we'll work from that and see what we can get out of it, having fixed the fault on the transmitter, which turns out to be a dry joint coil in the transmitter there, which takes the output of the output transistor to the filter network and straight through to the antenna connector. I unsoldered it, scraped the ends and put it back together. It's possible that it hadn't been cleaned properly at the factory because it was soldered alright, but I say that's now fixed. So that's what it's come in for. No transmit, that's been sorted. So now we'll tune it up. Oh, it's one of those, is it? I'll just unplug the extension speaker. So 107. I'll just see what we're doing first. $108. $109. $110. $111. We've got wax in. Brought it up somewhat. Can't read the number on this one. That's the final one for transmit. And that's brought us neatly up to 4 watts. I'll just backtrack on that one. As I've said before, these can be interactive. Yes. And that was a situation situation where it was. There we go. Just tidy those up. So we've got full 4 watts. Now we'll go for the deviation. Testing 1, 2. Wow, it's well over the top. I think the screwdriver jockey's been at this one. Deviation should be 105. It's reading about 4. That's interesting, I've just done the wrong one. So that's the difference on these two chassis. Wow, beautiful. So which was it? It was 105, but I've adjusted 101, so we'll find out what that is later. So we'll need to set the transmit meter now. That's going full pelt over. TX meter should be the back one there. RV103 was the back of the presets, and that is the RF meter. It's now all 4 bars on high power, which is 4 watts, and it's 1 bar on low power, which is somewhere going to be near 0.4 watt, and it's spot on 0.4 of a watt. The low power preset is RV501, which is just there. And although it's spot on, I will just demonstrate that. There we go. There we go, spot on. So we've done deviation, which is 105. We've done the transmit power meter, which is 103. We've done the low power setting for 0.4 watt with RV501. We just need to make sure the radio's on frequency, and with that it's C104, which is the red preset there, which is just to the right of the LC7137 synthesizer. So we're on channel 20, we should be on 2779125, it's 2779125. You can't argue with that, but as I say, it would be that trimmer capacitor C204, should we need to adjust that. So that covers the transmit on the 77104 UK. And I say I've not seen this variation of it before, I didn't realise there were 2. Right, we'll leave it at that, and the next video will be on the transmitter, on the receiver side of things.